everyone, my name is Yovvann from 7th class in Sandhurst English Medium School. Today my topic is rain gauge. It is rain gauge. But what is rain gauge? Do you know? A rain gauge is used to how much rain falls from sky. But how to make rain gauge? I will tell you. Take a bottle and cut it off and put like this. Our homemade rain gauge is ready. Let us put this rain gauge here. Come. After raining, we can measure this rain gauge. Let us measure how much rain was falling. But 1 minute. How to measure rain gauge water in this? Do you know? We need a scale because the rainwater is measured in centimeters. The scale has shown centimeters. Let us measure. The rain was fallen 3 centimeters. See, because the rain was fallen from 3 centimeters. That's why the rain is showing 3 centimeters water. See, you see the centimeter scale like this scale. See, 3 centimeters. Thank you.